Hello everyone, welcome to our Thanksgiving vlog. Yes, we're doing a Thanksgiving meal today. It's actually like the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and also we have never ever celebrated it. Yeah, we don't even do that in this country at all really, but we're going to have like a Thanksgiving-esque meal. We're actually going to have a roast chicken, but I'm going to do like turkey stock gravy and whatever with it, and just turkey flavourings and whatnot. And some classic American side dishes. So we're going to have American style homemade stuffing too. So it should be an interesting one. Mainly going to be like a cooking vlog this. Because we're not really, so we're having dinner. We're not actually celebrating Thanksgiving. We're having a nice roast meal. This is good though. Look, watch this. Right. Let's start the cooking process. Look at this, I've got this courgette. Ma! Ma!